Master the art of guessing on the GRE. Hello, dear learners. Today, we'll delve into a crucial, yet often overlooked GRE test-taking strategy: guessing strategies. Believe it or not, the ability to guess wisely can be a game-changer. Let's get started. In a perfect world, you'd know the answer to every GRE question. But let's be real, sometimes you're stumped. The good news? The GRE doesn't penalize you for wrong answers. Hence, leaving a question blank and guessing incorrectly have the same impact on your score: 0 additional points. So, never leave a question unanswered. By guessing, you're giving yourself a chance to earn extra points. It's essential to clarify that we aren't promoting random guessing. Instead, advocate for smart guessing. The difference? Random guessing is like shooting in the dark, while smart guessing is based on eliminating wrong choices and making an informed decision. Before you guess, always try to eliminate at least 1 or 2 options that seem out of place or contradictory. The fewer options you have, the higher your probability of getting the answer right. For instance, look for extremes. Words like always, never, all, or none might indicate extreme options that are often, but not always, incorrect. Contradictory information. If one option contradicts the passage or the stem of a question, it's likely incorrect. While the GRE is designed to be as random as possible, like any test, it might show patterns. If you've noticed that option, C, hasn't been the answer for a while, it doesn't guarantee C is the next answer. But if you're truly at a loss, it might be worth considering. Note: use this method sparingly and as a last resort. Your intuition can be a powerful ally. If you're torn between 2 choices and running out of time, trust your first instinct. More often than not, your subconscious mind has picked up on cues and patterns that your conscious mind might have missed. Guessing isn't about throwing caution to the wind. It's an art form in itself. Remember, on the GRE, it's better to guess and possibly get points than not guess and guarantee none. We hope this video sheds light on how to master the art of guessing strategically on the GRE. Best of luck with your preparation.